When you're considering Claritysoft as your help desk software solution, there are a few things you need to know before making that decision. Compared to other popular solutions like Zendesk or Freshdesk, Claritysoft offers a unique set of features, but it's important to understand the strengths and weaknesses of this software to determine if it's the right fit for your business. Let's dive into the 12 things you need to know before buying. First, Claritysoft is known for its user-friendly interface. Unlike some competitors with overwhelming dashboards, Claritysoft keeps things simple and intuitive. It's easy to set up and navigate, which means you won't waste time learning how to use it. The system is designed to minimize training time, especially for small to medium-sized businesses that don't have a dedicated IT team. Next thing, Claritysoft offers robust ticket management, but it might not be as feature-packed as others like Zendesk. The system allows you to track, manage, and resolve customer support requests efficiently. However, for businesses that require deep automation or highly customized workflows, other platforms may offer more flexibility. The third thing is pricing. Claritysoft offers a competitive pricing model that's appealing for businesses looking to scale without breaking the bank. However, it doesn't offer the freemium options that some of its competitors like Freshdesk do. So, while it's affordable, you might need to pay for premium features from the start. The fourth thing to consider is integration. Claritysoft integrates well with popular CRMs, like Salesforce, which is great if you already use that system. But if you're looking for a broader range of integrations, especially with third-party tools like Slack or social media platforms, you might find it lacking compared to some other software options. Next thing, Claritysoft provides detailed reporting tools. These are great for businesses that want to track support performance and identify areas for improvement. However, the reporting might not be as visually appealing or as in-depth as what you'll find with some more advanced competitors. The sixth thing is customer support. Claritysoft's customer support is generally good, but it doesn't offer 24/7 support like some other platforms. If your business operates in different time zones or needs around-the-clock service, that could be a limitation. The seventh thing is the mobile app. Claritysoft offers a mobile version, but it's not as feature-rich as the desktop experience. So, if you plan on managing tickets on the go, you might find the mobile experience a bit limiting compared to other apps like Zendesk or Freshdesk. The eighth thing is customization. Claritysoft allows some level of customization for branding and workflows, but it's not as customizable as other platforms. If you need highly tailored ticket management workflows, you might hit some limitations here. The ninth thing to know is security. Claritysoft offers solid security features, including data encryption, but it doesn't necessarily go as far as the high-end options like Zendesk, which provide additional security certifications and features that are critical for larger businesses in regulated industries. Next, Claritysoft provides an email support system. While this is great for basic needs, it doesn't offer as much automation for email ticketing as other competitors, which can slow down responses if you're managing high volumes of inquiries. The 11th thing is scalability. Claritysoft is great for small and medium-sized businesses, but larger enterprises might find that it lacks some enterprise-grade features. If you expect your company to grow rapidly, other solutions like Zendesk or Freshdesk might provide more scalable features to support your future needs. Lastly, Claritysoft is a good option if you need a straightforward, cost-effective solution for managing help desk tickets. It's ideal for smaller teams and businesses that don't require a ton of customization or advanced automation. However, if you're looking for something that offers more integrations, advanced reporting, or robust security, it might not be the best fit. In conclusion, while Claritysoft is a solid help desk software, if you're looking for something more comprehensive and advanced, consider checking out our recommended solution. You can try it for free to see if it fits your needs better.